Module 6, custom commands. Turn your most common workflows into one-word commands. Create once, use forever. All right, this is one of the most powerful features, and it's surprisingly simple. Custom commands are just markdown files. You put them in a .claude/commands folder. The file name becomes the command name. So you create a file called audit.demd. Put your prompt instructions inside. Now you can type /audit in Claude Code and it runs those instructions. That's it. Markdown file, folder, done. And they can take arguments. Use $ arguments in your markdown as a placeholder. When someone types /audit src API, the $ arguments becomes src API. Claude sees your full prompt with the argument filled in. 2 scopes. Global commands go in ~/.claude/commands. They work everywhere in any project. Project commands go in .claude/commands in your project root. They're committed to get your whole team gets them. One thing to remember, restart Claude Code after creating or editing command files. It only reads them at startup. The course showed a simple audit command. Let me walk you through it. File name, audit.md location, .claude/commands. The content is a prompt. Analyze the following file or directory for security vulnerabilities, performance issues, and code quality concerns, $ arguments. Report findings in 3 categories: critical, warning, info. That's the entire file. A markdown prompt with an argument placeholder. Now in Claude Code, you type /audit src API. Claude reads the audit.demd file, replaces $ arguments with src API, and runs the full prompt. It reads all the files in src API, analyzes them for security issues, checks performance, reviews code quality, and gives you a categorized report. One command, a full code review every time.
We took this concept and went big. We have 18 plus custom commands. We call them skills /start operations, 300 lines of instructions, runs the full morning startup, briefing, eat the frog, dashboard, signal upload, 10 steps automated, /close operations, 400 lines, 13 steps, daily wrap up, status updates, email triage, campaign dashboard, promotion, backup, journal wrap up, /journal, generates journal entries with AI invoice calculations, 6 quality gates, API submission, duplicate checking, /AI invoice creates a receipt comparing traditional agency cost versus AI assisted cost, makes the ROI tangible and shareable, /meeting notes, parses granola transcripts, saves to permanent archive, extracts action items, routes them to frogs, bees, or flies on my daily page, /project init, scaffolds a new project with our 6D methodology, requirements doc, environment doc SOP, QA tests, promotion spec, pickup status. Each one of these is a markdown file, just like the audit example from the course, but with 10x more detail. Because the more specific your instructions, the more consistently Claude follows them. Let me walk you through creating one from scratch. Step 1, identify something you do more than once a day. For me, it was generating journal entries. For you, it might be running tests, or deploying, or generating documentation. Step 2, write the instructions as if you were telling a new team member exactly what to do. Be specific, include examples, cover edge cases. Step 3, create the file. .claude/command/your command.md. Put your instructions inside. Step 4, restart Claude Code. Step 5, type /your command and watch it work. The first version doesn't have to be perfect. Start simple, add detail over time. My journal skill started at 20 lines. It's now over 200. Because every time I noticed Claude missing something, I added a rule. Module 6 custom commands. Markdown files in .claude/commands. File name becomes the command. $ arguments for parameters, global or project scoped. Start simple, add detail over time. The more specific, the more consistent.
your mission. Create your first custom command. Pick something you do regularly. Write a 10-line markdown file with the instructions. Put it in .claude/commands. Restart Claude Code. Try it, then add one more rule based on what Claude got wrong the first time. Go do the thing.